Say Assalamu alaikum. Hey, Q and QC control systems is different systems. I will telling about this QA and QC differencing systems. You will first visit my channel, please subscribe and press this notification bell icon. Okay, not a time waste, I will start with its main topics. QA, quality assurance, works before production, preventive approach, improves process, set standard and SOPs, training, auditing and system setup, improves product quality, process based, ensure log team quality, determines how. And I will telling about QC and control, quality control. What's mean quality control? Works during and after production. Detection approach, verifies product quality, conducts an inspection against standards, final and inline inspections, reject defined products, product based, checked immediate quality, checked if work in Jan. It's a quality systems most important. I hope you learn these videos and make sure what you leave your setup. You said QA and QC. What you choose and any questions, please put comments in my inbox and I will solve these questions and answers in these videos. I will create a videos and I will solve these problems. Thank you so much for watching these videos and I will telling discuss about this next videos.